Now, the RBI board is scheduled today to review their FY25 balance sheet and to decide on the dividend payout to the government of India. A huge interest here. Sapna is joining in with details. Sapna, put this in context for us.
Hi, Prashant. So, yes, street expectations are extremely aggressive on this year's dividend. So, the estimate that's doing the rounds is anywhere from 2.5 lakh crore to 3.5 lakh crores. Some of our colleagues are also indicating that maybe it could be around 4 lakh odd crores as per brokerage reports. However, we also need to look at, two aspects. One, how much is it that the government has kind of estimated, factored in the money already? That's one. Second, also, what happens to the economic capital framework? Are there going to be material changes to that? Because RBI has already indicated last week that they have reviewed the framework. So the first point, of course, is that 2.56 lakh odd crore. It's a combined head inclusive of PSB dividends, FIs, and of course RBI dividends. So if you do all these subtractions and estimations, around 220, at least 220 to 225, I think is what government is factoring in. Anything over and above that, that is going to be the real boost to the exchequer, because this amount they have already factored in. If it's lower than this, then obviously the story is very different. Then there could be questions raised on the RBI's balance sheet and, how their profitability has been over the past year. What are the headwinds that they have faced? That's one aspect. Second, and also the ECF thing. So both these things are what we have to watch out for. So in case it's anything above 2.5 lakh odd crore, that would not be a small boost. That would be pretty good. And this will have implications for the bond market as well, for the liquidity as well. There's a wide expectation that OMLs will start tapering off, and so much of liquidity will come in the banking system, which is what the RBI has been trying to ensure. And last but not the least, because of Operation Sindoor and the way the situation is on our borders, it could just be possible that maybe some request has been made to the Reserve Bank of India to make sure that some additionality is given.
Okay. All right, Sapna, thanks very much. We'll leave it on that note. Let's see what that final number indeed looks like and whether it is significantly above 2.5 lakh crore.